riding my boots like Wayne. I can't lie that I think I'm insane. Blacked out riding my boots like Wayne. With a mask on my face like Bane. Now I'm contemplating about quitting the gram. Taking risks, popping the clutch, I'm taking a piss. So many times I've nearly been rich. Let me tell you how my day went. One twist on the wrist for the thrill. I've been grinding, running behind and jumping the back for the show. If I'm on a bike, I'm riding wavy crazy. You should have known that lately.